Good afternoon. My name is Nadine Girek Porras Gutierrez. My analysis of life in Colombia is something completely simple. I consider that here in Colombia we are currently es- experience somewhat complicated situation with respect to all areas such as family, social, economic, cultural. Life in Colombia has changed with over the years. For example, the times of our grandparents in Colombia uh, were somewhat happier in terms of tranquility. For example, the food was more natural. There wasn't as much crime as today. Family relationships were calmer. Everyone in the family they helped. Today, for example, families wage war against each other. Food is more expensive. I think that one gives oneself the equality of life, um, but with the help of a good government, day by day, we are increasing rate in Colombia of deaths and violence against women and children. Here in Colombia, the situation is really complicated from the point of view bad government led country to bad distribution of money, poorly lack of the education is difficult. Enumerate all the problems that today exist in the society, and I'm in Colombia, but for this reason, I think that we must continue fighting for peace and a better country where equality exists. Finally, um, despite of the problems, life in Colombia is good. There will always be a good way to get ahead. See wonderful things that the country offers you. Perhaps some opportunities for everyone. This is my reflection. Bye bye.